Do you want to learn how to start filming with your DJI Osmo Pocket 3, 2, or 1? It's super easy and you can capture smooth, professional-looking videos right away. In this video, I'll show you how to film with your DJI Pocket. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Step 1. Choosing a shooting mode. First, turn on the camera. Now look at the bottom left corner. Here you will see an icon that represents the current shooting mode. If you're in photo mode, it will look like a camera, or if you are in video mode, then it will look like a video camera icon. So tap on this icon to bring up the shooting mode menu. Here tap on video to switch to video mode. The icon in the bottom left corner will change to a video camera icon. Step 2. Set resolution and frame rates. Now, from the home screen, swipe up. Here you will get the resolution option. Choose 3K for sharper detail, which I recommend. Now pick the frame rate 30 FPS, which is the standard for social media. Now look at the top right corner. You will see 9:16 text, which stands for aspect ratio. If you tap on it, it will switch to 1:1. This ratio stands for square size. If you tap again, it will switch to 9:16, and this is the wide angle size. And this is the standard video ratio for shorts, TikTok, and Reels. Step 3. Control the gimbal. Swipe down to bring the control center. Now select the gimbal mode from the right corner of the second row. Here you'll get 3 options like follow, tilt locked, FPV, and FPV locked. Follow option works for smooth pan and tilt, which is best for vlogs and walking. Then tilt locked, it keeps tilt steady. This is good for steady forward shots. Then FPV, this is more dynamic, follows roll as well. And finally, FPV locked. In this mode, the camera's tilt is locked at the right angle, perpendicular to the handle. It will maintain this position even if you restart the camera, or recenter the gimbal with a double press of the button. The camera's roll is also unlocked, just like in standard FPV mode, so you can choose what mode you need. Step 4. Focus and exposure. Swipe left to open the camera settings menu. In the top right corner, tap the icon that says Pro. The icon will turn yellow when activated. Now tap exposure option. Look below. You will get 2 options like M and Auto. M stands for manual and Auto stands for automatic. Let's see the manual option. Tap on it. Now look at the left side of the screen. You will see the yellow colored numbers. These are shutter speed. If you set your frame rate to 24 FPS, then shutter speed of 1/50 is the best. Just scroll up and down to adjust the shutter speed. And if you set 30 FPS, then select 1/60 shutter speed. And 60 FPS for 1/120 shutter speed. Now if you look at the right side of the screen, you will get ISO options. Set base ISO 100 to 400 in daylight. Raise only when needed in low light, and use auto ISO if you prefer. Then tap confirm. Step 5. Start recording. Press the record button from your camera body to start recording. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Until then, stay tuned and take care.